Hello! Hello everyone! In this video we will show a recipe for making hamburger with fries.
The participants
Of burger recipes are Cecia Lopez, Cristian Fajardo, María Fernanda Sandoval, Maciel Martínez, Carlos Colindres, Héctor Arita and me, Alan Wandique. Okay, let's go cook!
Here we have the ingredients: chicken meat, hamburger bread, lettuce and cheese slice,
oil, crinkle cut rice, ketchup, mayo,
mustard, tomato and onion.
My name is Héctor Arita. Now it's time to cook. We are going to fry the chicken meat. Now flip over the chicken meat. It's time to take out.
Now we're going to fry the fries.
I'm going to wash the vegetables before cutting them. Now I'm going to cut the vegetables.
We are going to put together the ingredients. First, put the ketchup. Now put the mayo. Then the mustard. Now put the lettuce. Then put tomatoes and onions. Then put the chicken meat and the cheese slice and cook.
Here we have
bloopers.
the ingredients: chicken meat,
¿Ya está bien? No, buena lechuga no. No, buena lechuga no. Now I am hot to cook. Bye! Hot to cook.
Now